Hello, to solve t power 9 equals 9, we are solving for the value of t that satisfies this equation. So we start by raising each part of this equation to the power of 9, that is t power 9, raised to the power of 9 equals 9 power 9. Now I can say let this represent a variable that is x, and this represent another variable that is y. So if you have t raised to the power of x raised to the power of y, this also means t raised to the power of y to the power of x. So the y will come inside the bracket while the x will go outside the bracket. But remember, t power 9 represent this x. So we are going to have t raised to the power of 9, and this is raised to the power of x, which is t power 9, and this equals 9 power 9. Now, as you can see, with one simple step, we have been able to solve this equation, because right now, the t power 9 here is the same as the t power 9, and 9 is the same as 9 here, so we can easily compare them. We have t power 9 equals 9, because if you have x power x equals y power y, that means x equals y. So if t power 9 equals 9, I can solve for t by eliminating this 9. I have t power 9 raised to the power of 1 over 9 equals 9 raised to the power of 1 over 9. And from here, if you have a power x raised to the power of y, this equals a power x times y. So I can multiply this out. I'll have t power 9 times 1, that is 9, divided by, I have 9 here, equals 9 power 1 over 9. So 9 divided by 9 here is 1. I have t equals 9 power 1 over 9. And if you have x power 1 over x, this equals the x root of x. So applying that here, I'll have t equals the 9th root of 9, and that is it. So guys, this is it. This is one way of solving this exponential problem. So let's solve it using natural log of t power 9 equals 9. So I can say let x equals t power 9. If x equals t power 9, I can solve for t by eliminating 9 here. That means x to the power of 1 over 9 equals t power 9. And this is raised to the power of 1 over 9. So by multiplying this exponent, I have x power 1 over 9 equals t power 9 times 1. You have 9 over 9, and this is 1. So from here, I have x power 1 over 9 equals t. Now, if that is the case, let's get back to this equation. I have t power 9 equals 9, and x equals t power 9. So this is my x. This is my x, remember? So I'm going to have t power x equals 9. This is t power x. I can then apply natural log. I have natural log of t power x equals natural log of 9. If you have natural log of a power b, this equals b times natural log of a. So the x here will come behind this. I have x times natural log of t equals natural log of 9. And there's t variable, there's x variable. So let's make the two variables to be the same. Recall, we have x power 1 over 9 equals t. X power 1 over 9 equals t. Remember this? That means there's t here. I'm going to replace it with x power 1 over 9. So we'll have x times natural log of x power 1 over 9 equals t. and equals natural log of 9, not t equals natural log of 9, because this equals t. Have you seen that? So, if you have natural log of a power p, this equals p times natural log of a. So this is x times natural log of, this 1/9 will come behind this, so this will be x times 1/9, because this is coming behind this natural log, and this is natural log of x equals natural log of 9. And from here, x times 1/9, this is x over 9, natural log of x equals natural log of 9. So how do we solve for x? We can multiply each part of this equation by 9, have x over 9, then natural log of x times 9 equals natural log of 9 times 9. So if 9 multiply this, I will have 9x divided by 9. There's natural log of x times 9 multiply this, of 9 times natural log of 9. So from here, this cancels this, I have x times natural log of x equals 3 natural log of 9. X natural log of x, 9 natural log of 9. We can compare. That means x equals 9. If x equals 9, what is our t? X power 1/9 equals t. Recall, x power 1/9 equals t, meaning t equals x power 1/9, meaning t equals our x is 9. We have 9 power 1/9. If this is so, then remember the same identity. X root of x equals x power 1/x. So this will be t equals the 9th root of 9. And this is exactly the same solution we had here. So guys, any of the methods you want to use is fine. You can easily check. You can check. We have t equals 9 power 1/9. And this is t power 9 equals 9. If you substitute this for t, you should have 9. So 9 power 1/9 is 3 power of 9 power 1/9. And this is raised 3 power of 9 equals 9. Now if you multiply this exponent, you have 9 power 1/9 raised 3 power of 9, 3 power of this 9 cancel this 9. This equals 9. You also multiply this exponent, you have 9 power 9/9 equals 9, and 9/9 here is 1. So we have 9 equals 9. So this means our solution is obviously very correct, guys. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.